Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so how do you feel this weather? Nice?
Cool.
Cool. Okay, so since it is cool, so today we'll begin with one topic which is very useful in our everyday life, that is solution. Solution. Okay, so this topic, it is very useful and we use it in our everyday life. And have you ever come across the mixture of salt and butter?
Yes.
Mixture of salt and butter. Where?
So I had a teeth pain.
Huh?
I had a tooth pain.
Tooth pain.
I drink water mixing with salt.
Then, anyone else?
Throat infection.
Throat infection. Okay, suppose this is salt plus water. So today we'll be discuss this topic, and example is salt and water. So here I have salt and this is water. So what you expected? What do you expect when this salt added into this water? What do you expect? Mix.
Dissolve.
After mixing,
Dissolve.
what happened to this salt?
Dissolve into water.
It will
Dissolve.
dissolve. Okay, so let's do this experiment. So here I have water and here I add salt. Okay, so now can you see these are solid, this portion downside, so these are all salt. Okay, so what happened when we add salt into this water and then we stir it?
That's all we use.
Okay, so we stir it like this, and now you see they are disappearing. Did you see? The salt here, they disappeared. You see? So when this salt disappear, we call it as dissolve. No more disappearing, and we call this term as dissolve. The salt get dissolved in water. So what do you see? Is there any change in color? No. Why? So when there is no change in color, that means the salt molecules and water, they are uniformly mixed together. You get that point? So when they are uniformly mixed together, this is termed as homogeneous mixture. You get it? When they are mixed uniformly, like here, there is no more salt. The only we can see is like water. We haven't add salt, but we already add, and the salt get dissolved in water. So this is mixture. We call it as homogeneous mixture because there is no change in the color, and also there is no residue left behind. Everything is dissolved. So for this purpose, we have a common term we call as homogeneous mixture. That means the salt, they get dissolved completely. You get my point? You understand? Yes. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So in simple term, we can define solution as a solution is a homogeneous mixture of how many components? So this is one component, okay? And this is my second component. You get it? This is one component and this is the second component. So when we define solution, so the solution is a mixture of two or more component. Okay? Homogeneous mixture, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. You get my point? Because if we take only salt, we cannot add, there is no mixture over here. But with the additions of water, so we get two components. The first one is salt and the second one is water. So it is very easy for you to remember and to learn the definitions of solution. So solution, that means it is a homogeneous mixture, and homogeneous mixture of two or more components. So under this homogeneous mixture, we come again, what do you see here? One is salt and the other one is water. So which one is liquid? Water. So water is liquid. So for this, for the liquid part, we call it as solvent. You get it? For this, we call it as solvent because it acts as a medium for this solution. Okay? This one acts as a medium. And then this one, it is solid or liquid. This one, this is solid or liquid? Solid. Okay, so this one, this salt is solid. So, which get dissolved? This one, the salt get dissolved in water or water get dissolved in the salt? Salt in water or water in salt?
Salt in water.
Okay, so this salt get dissolved in water, so for that we have another term we call as solute. You get my point? So, homogeneous, that means two types present. One is a solvent and the other one is a solute. So, this solid part, means solid component, we have here salt. This will get dissolved in water. So, for that purpose, this salt is called with another name called as solute, and for the liquid we call as a solvent. You get it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So again, from the beginning, the first solution, and we have also every day we experience this mixture, salt and water. When we mix, like here, when we mix, the salt gets dissolved in water. That means there is no residue left behind. And then, again, to define solution, it is very simple, like it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. And in homogeneous mixture, we have two terms, that is, one is solute and the second one is solvent. Okay? So these are the two components which play a very important components in mixing the components to become a solution. You get my point? So anything you want to ask or anything you don't understand with this one? Any? There is nothing. Okay, thank you.